Some Edmond Public School parents, they are mad and they want to know that they're unhappy with the district's COVID-19 policies.
A small group is taking things a step further and is taking legal action against the district. News 9's Brittany Toulis is in the newsroom to break down this lawsuit. Brittany?
Bobby, Carl, 6 parents filed a nearly 10-page-long lawsuit yesterday. In it, they argue different quarantine policies based on vaccination status violates constitutional rights.
Who gave them that right? In mid-August, Edmond Public Schools amended its quarantine policies requiring exposed students to stay home, but how long depends on their vaccination status. The change causing an uproar for some families. If the student is vaccinated, EPS recommends getting tested, but the student can go to school unless experiencing symptoms. Unvaccinated students are required to stay home at least 5 days if they get a COVID test, and up to 11 days without getting tested. As of yesterday, Edmond Schools has 150 students and 10 staff members with the virus, and over 400 students in quarantine. In the lawsuit, parents outlined 24 reasons they say the school should put an end to the policy, going so far to say keeping kids at home violates their and their parents' constitutional rights. For that violation, families are asking the differing policy to be terminated and to be paid damages for having to quarantine. The lawsuit also says keeping kids at home has long-term consequences, like anxiety, anger, and restlessness in older children, regression and clinginess in younger kids. Edmond Public Schools responded today saying, quote, they are aware of the legal action and that the policies are put in place to keep kids at school, something the superintendent addressed when the new policy went into effect.
Part of this is an effort to keep our schools open. If we were not quarantining, I believe our numbers would be at a situation where we would probably have to even close schools.
The school also has a temporary mask mandate in place through mid-October, but parents can opt out. Live in the newsroom, Brittany Toulis, Oklahoma's own News 9.